In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3 hours Google Calendar event. Google Calendar 2025. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account since your events are tied to that account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the little 9-dot icon, and choose Calendar. This opens Google Calendar on the web, which gives you the full set of scheduling tools. Once Calendar loads, look for the Create button near the top left and click it. From the menu, choose Event. This ensures you're making a standard calendar event, not a task or a reminder. At the top of the event editor, type a clear title for your 3-hour event so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Next, set the date. Click the date field and pick the day you want from the calendar picker. If you're planning ahead, this is a simple way to jump to the right day without scrolling. Now let's set the 3-hour duration. Click the start time to open the time picker. For example, choose 2:00 p.m. as the start, then click the end time. You'll notice Google Calendar suggests end times and shows the duration beside them. Look for the option that displays 5:00 p.m. with 3 HRs next to it and select that. This is the quickest way to lock in a precise 3-hour event without doing mental math. If you prefer typing, you can also type 2:00 p.m. as the start and 5 p.m. as the end. If you're inviting others, click Add Guests and enter their email addresses. Guests will receive an invitation and can RSVP, and you'll see their responses in the event details. To help everyone find the meeting easily, click Add Location and enter a physical address or a meeting room. If it's virtual, you can add a conferencing link using the conferencing option if it's available in your account. Use the description box to include an agenda, links, or any prep notes. This saves back and forth emails and keeps everything in one place. Before you save, confirm you're adding the event to the correct calendar using the calendar dropdown. If you manage multiple calendars, this ensures the right people see it and your color coding stays consistent. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added guests, you may be prompted to send invitations. Go ahead and send them so everyone is notified. That's it. You've created a 3-hour Google Calendar event complete with the title, date, precise timing, guests, location, and notes. Save these steps and you'll be able to set up timed events quickly and confidently every time.